Hey guys, it's Brooke here from the Vintage Gardener. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a peony unboxing. I went to Walmart the other day and I found peonies. They had some varieties I'd never seen before, and I got some of them, but I'm going to go back and get some more. So the first one, this is their line called patio peonies. And so these are supposed to be good for a container garden. Obviously you can put them in the ground. So the first one is called Patio Peony Rome. So this one apparently only gets 18 to 24 inches. So that's a fairly smaller size. A lot of peonies end up getting 3 feet tall. So it says it's good for cut flowers. I'll see if it has scent. And then I got one called Amsterdam, and this one too only gets 18 to 24 inches. And then let's see, I got one called Madrid. They had a lot of like place names this year, and this one also gets 18 to 24. And then the last one is called Dublin. And so I'm really interested to see how all these are going to turn out. I did open one of them, and actually I left it in the other room and I don't feel like getting it. But you know, for me, the thing with Walmart sometimes with their peony roots is that sometimes I've gotten them and then when I opened it, like the peony root had no eyes to it. And so I actually did poke a hole in one of the bags when I was in the store. So I was trying to figure out like if these were going to be good or if they were going to be a dud. I don't like doing that, but I don't want to spend money and then open it and realize, oh shoot, this is bad. I mean, granted, I understand I could take it back, but still, it's kind of a pain. Okay, so I'm opening this one right here. This one is the, I'm making a mess here. This is called Rome, and guys, look at this. Okay, so this is obviously a viable root. It's got a number of eyes, so I'm going to try to get these in this weekend because quite frankly, with the amount of eyes on this thing, and I'm seeing some feeder roots over here, I don't know, maybe I'll get let's put it this way, this is of the size that I could potentially get a bloom on it this year. So I will see. So some of the other ones have a lot of eyes. Like if you get a peony root, you want them to have between 3 to 5 eyes. If they have 3 to 5 eyes, a lot of times they will bloom. Now, this is going to be different for me because typically I plant my peonies in the fall. And obviously if I plant them in the fall, they have the whole winter to get established. These obviously I'm planting them in spring. So we'll see. It would be nice if I got a bloom, but if not this year, definitely next year I should. And next year, by the time next year gets around, they should be fairly substantial, so I should definitely get a bloom. Now I'm going to have to sweep because I got that stuff everywhere. Okay, so I found a new peony company online. It's called Champlain Peony Company. For those of you guys who've been following my channel for a while, you guys know that I like getting peonies. I get peonies from all over the place. One of my favorite places to get more unusual peonies is Peony's Envy. They're fairly pricey. Now, with Champlain Peony Company, their prices are going to go up as of March 31st. I don't know how much it's going to go up. I'm hoping it's not going to jump like $20 or anything. I'm hoping it's going to be something more modest, like $5. They have a lot of peonies, very rare peonies. They have hundreds and hundreds of cultivars. Some of the peonies are as inexpensive as $15, and then I saw one peony on there that was like $3,000 because it's such a rare cultivar. So I ordered, let's see, I think a couple of blush and pink ones. I'm going to be on their website because I really am planning to, on a budget to order a massive amount of peonies this fall because I really want to just pimp out the entire promenade garden so that I can have my peony walk. And so they have so many different varieties that I'm just like, that's what I'm going to do this fall. So let me get something to open this so I can show you guys what I got. Okay. So This company typically only ships the peony roots in fall. They're just doing a last ditch sale because they're trying to, I guess, clear some inventory. So I'm probably going to do another ordering to take advantage of, you know, some of the prices they have that I know are going to go up. They had it appeared that they had a number of yellow peonies, herbaceous peonies. And herbaceous peonies typically don't come in yellow. I know they have some new varieties, like for example, like Pastel Elegance, and they're pricey, but that's just the way it is. Okay, so they put them in plastic bags, and this one right here is called Chiffon Parfait, and I'll put a picture. They're in pine shavings, which is nice. Okay, guys, check out this root. And so this one has 3 eyes, but yeah, I know that looks really, really good. So I got 4 of those, so that's pretty. It's gonna be very pretty. And then the next box I got is called, and this one is a more massive root. I can tell. I have to say, I do like these pine shavings they use. It smells really, really, really good. This one, which one is this one? This one is called, guys, look at this root. That is beautiful. This one is called Katerina Fontagine. I'll put the picture. Oh, and this one's got a lot of eyes, and it's got a lot of feeder roots. So this one may actually bloom this year. So I'd say I'm really impressed with the quality of these and the size of the roots. So yeah, that's gonna be so nice. That really is. So this Saturday I'm going to be planting the 8 I got from Champlain Peony Company, plus the 8 that actually, you know what, I have 9 peonies from Walmart. I'm gonna go get some more. So I'm gonna be planting some more peonies, and we'll see what happens this year. You know, if I get a bloom, obviously that would be fantastic. Maybe I'll get 1 or 2. But Champlain Peony Company, I'm gonna put a link to them in the description. And like I said, I'm gonna order some more before the prices change. But this fall, that's really what I'm going to concentrate on. I need to work on getting more perennial like roots and that sort of thing. So I think maybe this year I'll concentrate on doing peonies and bearded irises because I really, really love those. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Stay tuned and, you know, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so you can see what happens come May and June when all these peonies start to bloom. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. So I got all of my Lisianthus bumped up into the bigger like cell trays. So let me show you what I did. Actually, I also did some eucalyptus and lavender too. Okay, guys, so here we go. These are Lisianthus. Oh, blast. Where's the label on them? Y'all, I done messed up. Or maybe that was the tray that fell, right, the labels fell off. But here are some that are labeled. Here's some more. And here's some more. And then down here, let's see, there's some Lisianthus. These are eucalyptus in here. And those are the lavender back there. The lavender, the root systems on them are absolutely huge. Here's some more Lisianthus right here. Right here. Oh wait, I think I see some lavender, like for example right there. And then more Lisianthus. I have to add a light down here, but here's some here. These right here are the Basque flower or Pax flower. I don't know that those are gonna germinate. I'm not really overly impressed with that. These are the larkspur, which take a while, and oh, got one big one. Gotta give that a spritz. I don't usually start them indoors, but that one seems to be very happy with its life right now. So let me show you what I'm going to be working on next. Okay, so hopefully you guys can hear me over the blower from my wood burning stove. I forgot to winter sow these, so I'm going to get that in cups today. I have also the Supreme poppies, which I forgot to do. I'm going to soak these, the sweet pea, and I have another batch somewhere right here. I'm going to soak those overnight so I can start planting those. I'm going to put the Gomphrena in this tray right here because most of it is empty. Oh, I see germination over there. Okay. This over here had some stock, some Saphoglossus, and some other things, and I'm starting to see germination. So I'll have to get more trays, so I'm gonna have to bump these up in a couple weeks too. But I'm gonna go ahead and plant the Gomphrena. I have some red that I saved from last year. I got some salmon. I'm gonna plant, actually I'm gonna winter sow these. I'm gonna start some cornflower, celosia, all my celosia. So I've got Azuka Select Greens. This is supposed to be a deep green. I got a Roseberry Parfait, and I got Barbarossa Champagne. I really like that from last year. And then, let's see, I'm going to do some more larkspur. I may winter sow these as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and start some peas. And I'm going to grab some other cool weather greens. So, I'm making my way through my stuff. I have to look and see what else I have to do. I feel like I'm missing some sunflower. Actually, you know what? I think I need to order some sunflower from Sunflower Selection. So, I'll do that today. So, but that's going to happen a little bit later because I need to get out of the house just for a wee bit. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get dressed because I've been seed starting in my pajamas. And then, yeah, I'm gonna go do some shopping and that sort of thing. So I'll check in with you guys later tonight. Okay, guys, so Sunday night. I think I filmed this weekend. Hopefully I did. There's one set of picture roll molding. And I'm like lost here. And here's another set over there. But anyway, I'm going downstairs to the kitchen because number one, Poochman wants a treat. He's being ooh, hang on a second, guys. He's being very insistent. And I'm going to show you guys, oh, here's the other picture roll. He wants a treat, and I'm going to show you guys the seeds that I got started this weekend. So with the picture rolls, I'm actually going to paint them, but I'm going to talk a little bit more about that in another video. But I've been doing some seed starting, y'all. So I've got 3 512 trays planted up, and I also started some sweet pea in a separate container. So let me show you what I got going on. You guys, first things first, this is the Queen of Hearts sweet pea. I was soaking those seeds overnight in this tray right here. We have a lot of growth here. We've got some cherry snapdragons at this end. We got the Saphoglossus right here. This next section is stock. And I think this next section is Apricot Beauty Foxglove. Then we got another set of stock. Then we got the Cafe Creme, which is just now starting to sprout. And then we got more stock at the end. So, ooh, this is getting a little stretched out. I think I'm gonna have to go find some space on the other mat. But that's that. Okay. Next set, which I did most of it yesterday. So on this side we got some lupine, and then we've got some, I don't even know what that's supposed to be. Well, that one, there's cornflower, Barbarossa, Champagne, Celosia. There's a bunch of Celosia in here. Maybe that's Celosia. Anyway, I'll figure it out. So anyway, that all got planted yesterday. And then tonight, I did a lot of vegetables in here. So I've got carrots, broccoli, got some gomphrena. Actually, you know what? I have some gomphrena at the end of that one too. So yeah, got a lot done. So, I want to do some of this pink baby's breath next. I also want to do some, what's it called? Blue flax, because I really like that. And feverfew. Well, let me go pull those out right now so I can start for tomorrow. And then I think I'm going to take a couple week break and then come back and do some more, because I think I'm making good progress with seeding everything this year. So, and I got to go pull my second rack out of the garage because I'm going to need some space. Oh, you know what? I'm soaking some seeds for the snow pods, the Oregon Giant. So it's supposed to be 5-inch thin, crispy flat pods. Oh, this is that type of snow pea. I'm going to have to do some regular peas, but I'll do that in a couple of weeks because, yeah. So it's going to be fun. So anyway, let me pull the blue flax. And you know what? I still didn't do my poppies. My poppies and then the sunflower. I got to start those. Oh, too much, guys. Too much.